Hey guys, what's good? Today I want to talk to you about determination and just putting things into perspective here. So how come we're sometimes looking at those lawyers, doctors, professional athletes and saying, wow, those guys are making like insane amount of money per hour of them actually doing their job. Just think about the initial investment that those guys had time-wise in their careers. So talk about a professional athlete, those guys train 10-15 years, they grind it extremely hard only to maybe make it. Now with the stock market it's exactly the same, but you have more guarantees. So why don't you put yourself in a position where the work that you're doing yourself won't make you rich tomorrow, won't make you rich next year or the year after even, but within 5 to 10 years will definitely bring you more money than you can even know how to count. The strategies that I'm telling you about are obviously the safest ones, the selling covered puts ones, the selling covered calls ones. Pick really good stocks, grow your account to the number that you need to buy 100 shares of, let's say, Pinterest, let's say Apple, let's say one of the really big solid companies that are bringing in profitable years time and time again, that are reporting really good quarters time and time again, and then invest in those. And by invest, I don't mean just buy them and wait out for them to get to somewhere. Just learn how to sell puts, only covered by cash, of course. Learn how to sell covered calls, and then this is a very good first step for you to start wheeling in some of those really consistent amounts of money. Maybe at first it's gonna be something like $150 a month. Still, it's really important to get that consistency, to start growing your account slowly but surely. I'm currently bringing in anywhere between 5 and 7% of my account value from just these premiums every single month. And I'm not even talking about like the capital gains in case I sell a put on, let's say, stock charge point. I sell a put, I get put 100 shares, and then I start selling calls. Eventually I'm gonna be called on those 100 shares, and then I'm gonna make not only the premium from selling the puts and selling the covered calls, but I'm also gonna make the capital gains from that. With that in mind, guys, it shouldn't be as complicated as some of us make it be. You don't have to find 20 stocks to invest in every single month, or best 10 stocks of the week, or who knows what other things that you might find on YouTube, or who knows where else. You simply need that one mentality of making sure that you make consistent gains. And whether it is through options trading, maybe you're not open to trying out options, although I know everybody says that they're risky. They're the most safe way to play stocks if you know what you're doing and if you play them right. Sure, they can be a Russian roulette if you don't, and if you just buy short dated calls, you'd better burn your money instead. But if you're doing it right, it can definitely help grow your portfolio steadily and surely through the next 3-5 years here, until you reach that point where you want to be, where you're maybe making a few grand off of your portfolio every single month and able to fully live off of that. It really depends on your determination, what you want to do with the stock, as well as where you want your portfolio to be. But I mean, do you want your portfolio to look something like this, or would you rather it looks something like this? It's really up to you guys. Again, if you don't enjoy options, that's totally fine. You can just invest in really solid companies, buy them when they're on a discount. Be really diligent about fundamentals, learn how to run a DCF, and start knowing when a company is over or under appreciated, and obviously start growing your portfolio from there. So hopefully this video helps at least a few of you guys just be more mindful about what you're investing in before you're investing. Give the FOMO part of you a bit of a rest, and just hopefully start seeing a bit more consistent gains in your portfolio. Have a great day, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like if you enjoy the content. Take care. Bye bye.